Hey everybody, this is Michael with On the Move Realty and living in Long Beach. So today we're actually out in Los Angeles. We just closed today on a fantastic opportunity where we utilized the $50,000 grant program. So this particular house was a 3-bedroom. Buyer couldn't be happier. Such a great opportunity. I mean, you're talking about free money here, $50,000. So if you've given some thought to buying, we have a full list of properties in the Long Beach area, in Los Angeles, LA County, Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, and San Diego. So not every property qualifies. I will need to take a look. The way this would work is we would get you qualified first. We'll let you know, first of all, how much you qualify for, exactly what your payment will look like, and then how we can apply your $50,000 towards your down payment, towards your closing costs, and then also towards agent fees. So talk about a huge win for you. If you've been on the fence for buying a home, now might be your time. I mean, gosh, I wish somebody would have handed me something like this when I was buying my first homes. So really looking forward to working with you. Feel free to call me direct, 562-773-7099. Talk to you soon.